My name is Jenny, and I live in Denver, Colorado. I was first introduced to Forex and trading about a year and a half ago. I attended a school out here. But to be really honest, I left there with a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, couldn't set a trade, and also a very large student loan. So that was no fun for me. But I was introduced to Sniper School and SCAR, and I knew from the very beginning that things were going to be really different. And they were. I could tell the way the information was laid out, the feeling of the room. SCAR, she's hilarious. She tells jokes all day, and it's just a fun environment to be in. The community that surrounds Sniper School, it's really great to see everybody who's doing really well and talk about what's not doing so well. And, when those times of frustration come, there's motivation there. And SCAR's willingness to really guide you to greatness, that's what sets this school apart from any other. I love that there's a mentality of success and fun, because who doesn't want success and fun in their life? So would I recommend this school? Are you kidding? What are you waiting for?